She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is definitely one that you can whip up just in time for a wonderful weeknight meal. Today we're going to go ahead and use some pork chops and make some lovely honey barbecue baked pork chops. So in this case, I actually had some pork steaks that I needed to use, so that is the cut I will be using. You can use whatever cut of pork chops that you like. Then you will need some barbecue sauce, some brown sugar, some honey, some garlic, some soy sauce, and barbecue seasoning rub. So with these ingredients, we're going to go ahead and make some tasty honey baked barbecue pork chops that you definitely are going to love. So if you're ready for today's recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so these are the honey barbecue pork chops made with that semi-homemade barbecue sauce that we added to these pork chops, or pork steaks in my case. They were juicy and tender, full of barbecue flavor all the way throughout the chops, guys. Definitely give this one a try. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love barbecue pork chops. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.